Ever wanted to make a dessert that truly wows? Today we're crafting Strawberry Mousse Parfaits. These impressive layered treats are surprisingly simple to create. No need to be a fancy chef, just a love for sweet things and ripe strawberries. This dessert is all about simple elegance and honest ingredients. Imagine serving these at your next gathering. Guests will think you spent hours in the kitchen. The vibrant pink mousse is a treat for the eyes and the taste buds. Light and airy, it melts in your mouth with fresh strawberry flavor. Perfect for any occasion, these parfaits add sophistication without stress. Let's create something wonderful. This recipe guides you every step of the way. Soon, you'll be layering these gorgeous parfaits with confidence. Sharing something homemade is always a joy, especially when it looks and tastes this good. Prepare for compliments, because they will surely come flooding in. So, let's get started on this delightful journey. You'll find it's much easier than you think, and the smiles on your friends' faces will be the best reward. Impressive desserts often seem complicated, but not this strawberry mousse parfait. It proves stunning results can be achieved with ease. The beauty of this dessert is its simplicity. No tricky techniques or hard-to-find ingredients. You can whip these up in the afternoon for an evening treat. Presenting these parfaits brings satisfaction. Friends will ask for your secret. Sharing something beautiful you made with your own hands makes occasions special. This recipe is accessible to everyone, regardless of kitchen experience. If you can whip cream and mash strawberries, you're well on your way. Enjoy the process without worrying about perfection. These parfaits often turn out looking quite perfect indeed. Embrace the ease and prepare to delight your loved ones. It's more fun than you might imagine. Let's get started on this delightful creation. To start our strawberry mousse journey, gather fresh quality ingredients. First, we need fresh strawberries, bright red and fragrant. Their natural sweetness is the star of our show. Next, caster sugar to sweeten the strawberries slightly. A squeeze of fresh lemon juice brightens the flavor. For creamy texture, chilled double cream is essential. Consider adding crushed biscuits for a crunchy base. Optional garnishes like mint or extra strawberries add a special touch. These simple ingredients are likely available at your local shop. Starting with lovely ingredients is key to a delicious dessert. Choose your strawberries with care and ensure your cream is fresh and cold. With these treasures gathered, we're ready for the fun part. Let's start making our beautiful strawberry mousse. It's going to be quite lovely. You'll see how simple it is to create something special. Let's create our wonderful strawberry mousse. Start by washing and hulling the strawberries, then puree them. Add a bit of caster sugar and lemon juice to taste. Set the puree aside and whip chilled double cream to soft peaks. Be careful not to over-whip. Soft peaks are perfect for our mousse. Now combine the strawberry puree with the whipped cream. Gently fold a third of the cream into the puree, keeping it airy. Add the rest of the cream, folding until it's a pale pink mousse. Avoid over-mixing. Just fold until combined. Your strawberry mousse is now ready. It's a simple process for a stunning result. The mousse is light, airy, and full of fresh strawberry flavor. You've created a strawberry cloud. It smells divine and looks beautiful. Let's move on to assembling our masterpiece. With our mousse ready, it's time for the grand assembly. Choose tall, clear glasses to showcase the layers. If using a biscuit base, crush biscuits and add to the glass. Spoon or pipe the mousse on top, filling the glasses halfway. Add a second layer if desired, perhaps with strawberry puree or fresh pieces. Smooth the top gently for an inviting look. Chill the parfaits for at least an hour to set the mousse. Before serving, add a slice of strawberry or mint for garnish. These small details elevate your dessert. Your stunning strawberry mousse parfaits are ready to impress. From simple ingredients, you've created an elegant dessert. Now share them and watch your friends' faces light up. I hope you try this recipe. It's a delight to make and eat. Please share your results. I'd love to see your creations. Happy dessert making, everyone. Enjoy every spoonful.